the last 2 years, might actually even be 3 years, we've had what we call the hurdy-gurdy bird, who's always come back to us every year. And you can actually hear him going hurdy-gurdy, and he's here again actually. I'm just going to go and see if I can capture him. He's going around the garden. Where is he? Bet he doesn't do it now. There he is. Do you hear that? Hurdy-gurdy. Oh, there he is. Look. Brilliant. Now, my understanding from Sarah Lou is that, in fact, she thinks that there's actually 2 of these birds in this location making this call, and the chances are that they may well be related and they're actually mimicking each other. And we've actually been very surprised at what good mimics blackbirds are. Right, this next bit that I've added on here is actually this same bird having a conversation with me. I call to them. He's virtually right on top of me and I can't see him. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this moment of mindfulness.